Ever wondered which hair removal method is better, waxing or shaving? Let's settle this once and for all in this ultimate showdown. Waxing vs shaving, which one wins? Close-up of a razor and a waxing kit. Split screen of someone holding both speed and convenience. Need a quick fix? Shaving takes just minutes, while waxing requires preparation. Shaving equals fast. Waxing equals takes time. Fast forward of someone shaving in under a minute. Slow motion of someone heating wax and applying it. How long do results last? Shaving cuts hair at the surface, so regrowth happens in 1-3 days. Waxing removes hair from the root, lasting up to 4 weeks. Shaving equals days. Waxing equals weeks. Side by side of hair regrowth after shaving vs waxing calendar flipping animation. Pain level, what hurts more? Let's be real, shaving is painless. But waxing, well, it's not for the faint-hearted. Shaving equals no pain. Waxing equals ouch. Someone shaving without reaction. A person flinching while getting waxed. Side effects and risks. Shaving can cause razor burns, cuts, and ingrown hairs. Waxing, it can lead to redness, irritation, and even minor skin lifting. Both have risks. Choose wisely. Close-up of razor burns. Waxing causing skin redness. Cost comparison. Shaving is budget-friendly, you just need a razor and shaving cream. Waxing, on the other hand, costs more but lasts longer. Shaving equals cheap and frequent. Waxing equals costly but long-lasting. Price tags on razors vs waxing kit. Skin health, which is better? Shaving can exfoliate the skin, but may cause microcuts. Waxing removes dead skin cells, making skin smoother over time. Waxing equals exfoliation. Shaving equals can irritate. Smooth skin. Close-up after waxing. Which is better for different body parts? Shaving works great for legs and arms, but waxing is best for sensitive areas like the bikini line and face. Shaving vs waxing by body part. Labeled body zones with check marks. Ingrown hairs, the real struggle. Shaving is more likely to cause ingrown hairs because it cuts at an angle. Waxing, however, pulls the hair from the root, reducing ingrown. Shaving equals higher risk of ingrown. Waxing equals lower risk ingrown hair. Illustration. DIY vs professional treatment. Shaving is easy to do at home, but waxing, you might want to leave that to the pros or be very careful. DIYing. Shaving equals D-friendly. Waxing equals best done professionally. Home waxing attempt fail vs salon treatment, which wins? So, what's the final verdict? If you want speed and convenience, go for shaving. If you prefer longer lasting smoothness, waxing is your best bet. Shaving equals quick and easy. Waxing equals smooth and long lasting. Thumbs up for both methods. Like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe button animation.